Here we have a Rick and Morty Adult Swim Loot Crate box. As you can see, there's the Loot Crate. I'll show you the back side. Let's see. Adult Swim. So, okay, let's dive right in. Dive on in. Oh, look at that. Starting off with a shirt. Right out the rip. Look at this. Oh my gosh. That's dope. So I'm actually wearing... Oops, that's bad. That's Evil Rick. That's awesome. That's awesome. I love it. I'll flash my shirt later. And we got a middle finger. It's a middle. Yeah, I love it. Peace among worlds. It's gonna be dope. We got you son of a bitch. I'm Pen. I'm in. You got me. What we got here? Ooh, I got a little arcade. Blips and Chits arcade. Is that what this is? I'll open that in a minute here. And I'm assuming this is some type of we call them gators. I think we'll call them gators. From what I can see, it's let me focus. It's not focusing. The Pickle Rick is what I'm assuming now. Pickle Rick! It's Pickle Rick! It's Pickle fucking Rick! Oh no, that's good. I got a Pickle Rick gator. Is it upside down? Got a Pickle Rick gator. Put that on right now. We'll toy around with that for a second. It says phone stand. What the fuck? It doesn't fit. I'm gonna be real upset if I lose my phone in here. So it says phone stand, but it ain't working the greatest.